All right, ఇప్పుడు పూరి జగన్నాథ్ గారు లేరు and it's going to be a romantic interview from now on.
Acha, you've decided it's going to be romance.
Yes.
Wow.
Varun ledu, it's another guy who's not a hippie though, but still romantic.
No, I like only hippies. Only Varun for me.
Only Varun?
Only Varun.
So you're going to marry Varun?
Didn't we get married by the end of it?
No, but in real life. But this is reality.
A guy like Varun? No, I'm not so sure. No.
What are your requirements? ఎలాంటి అబ్బాయి కావాలనుకుంటారు లైఫ్ లో?
Definitely not some guy who comes up and says, I want a deep lip kiss and 1 hour kiss.
Seriously, yeah.
But someone who loves me as much as Varun loves me in the second half would be wonderful.
You know, when I started loving you, during 1920. So it's 2014.
It's been like 100.
I've been loving you and
century.
Yeah, I think you
That's
have
wonderful.
to realize.
I have realized.
You've realized?
But I still like Varun.
అదేంటండి మీరే అడిగింది మీరే ఉల్టా చెప్పుకుంటారు.
Varun gave me a heart attack, so that's now what is more important.
I'll give you a heart transplant now. He gave you a heart attack. But how is Telugu film industry treating you? How was it
Fantastic, so far? No, so far, because my first film with Puri sir and now it's a super success. So yeah, till now it's been really, really great.
So you ever thought that I would do a Telugu movie in future?
Yeah, of course. I think I'm open to doing any language. I pick up languages. I have a knack of picking up languages fast. So maybe Chinese and French and German.
In future, you look Japanese.
I have such big eyes. You're the first.
If you can do this. See, you look
then I can do those the kung fu movies. Fantastic. I've done Kalaripai too, so then I'm ready for that also.
Fantastic. So what do you generally do? How did you get into movies?
Generally got into movies. I don't know actually how now come to think about it, because I don't have any. No, I did ads after I did 1920. The Limca commercial and all was after. Before that, I hadn't done anything. So 1920 was the first time I faced like the movie camera and.
నా పేరు హయాతి. స్పెయిన్ వెళ్తే ఒక కుర్రాడు తగిలాడు.
I was really raw. I didn't know anything.
But you killed it. Killed it. You killed the cat and
I killed the cat and everyone else.
Everyone.
And no, but I think the scariest part of getting in the film industry for me was not what I do once I'm in front of the camera. It was getting the break and how am I going to get and who is going to find me and give me. But I think this time I have to say that destiny just took its way, because I used to get up in the morning and tell my mom, how is anyone going to know I exist? Because we have no contacts. My mom's a housewife and my dad's in the merchant navy. So I said, how is this going to happen? And my mom used to say, but you act really well. People will figure it out. I said, but how? There are like millions of girls and everyone wants to do movies.
Why would I get a chance?
How? Not why. Mine was, how am I going to? How is who going to spot me? And those lucky things of I was walking around and somebody saw me never happened with me ever. Very sadly. No one sent my pictures to Miss India either. My mom didn't send.
You could have.
No, but how people say, no, I didn't want to do this, but my mother sent my pictures to Miss India.
My dad did it and I landed here.
My dad did, and I just, but nothing, no one did it for me, no.
Then who
I went relentlessly for 1,000 of auditions and I got rejected everywhere. And
don't tell me. Don't
yeah,
tell me.
really.
You got rejected also?
I've got millions of rejections for the oddest reasons you can imagine. And those reasons have now become my plus points and people are calling me back.
For a girl who looks amazingly cute, who's got a nice height, nice smile, how could anyone reject her?
No, I think once there's a rejection, it is not on the basis of anything concrete. I have realized that. It's just, I don't know, just things don't work out. But now when I think of those things, I'm so glad that they didn't happen, because now what's happening with my life now is what I really want to do.
So you want to continue in movies?
Yeah.
Bollywood and Tollywood?
Yeah, I'm sure I can manage both.
Okay. If you get more chances in Tollywood, would you leave Bollywood?
I'm not leaving anywhere. Now it's a 1-hour flight to come to Hyderabad.
नहीं जी, अगर Tollywood में बहुत सारे मूवी के ऑफर्स आने लग जाते हैं, because you've done पूरी जगन्नाथ.
Yeah.
अभी next movie, and you have this dates problem, and then Bollywood movie comes in.
I'm a young, strong girl. I'll manage both easily. Now there's like this 15 days, and it's a 1-hour flight in Bombay. It takes me more time to go to Mud Island. We were shooting in Mud Island. It takes me 3 hours to reach there in the evening. Hyderabad is a 1-hour flight. So it's pretty much the same time. I think I can do both. I've even shot for something almost for this actually. I did 3-4 days simultaneously. I was doing day and night and I'm fine.
అందరు అబ్బాయిలాగే వీడికి అమ్మాయిలతో ఎలా మాట్లాడాలో తెలీదు.
I need a deep lip kiss.
నా వెంట పడుతుంటే ప్రేమించాడనుకున్నాను.
ఏదో చిన్న ముద్దడిగానని దానికి లవ్వు పెళ్లి కూడా కల్పిసి మీ లైఫ్ లో బిల్స్ అన్ని నన్నే కట్టేమంటే ఎలా? హౌ?
ఇలాంటోడ్ని బుద్ధి జ్ఞానం ఉన్న ఏ అమ్మాయి ప్రేమించదు. కానీ నేను ప్రేమించా. వాడికి ఆ విషయం అర్థం కాదు.